Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the lecture 6 of Software Engineering Basic series, and we are learning about the use case model, which is the quite an standard for representing the user requirements, right? And in use case model you have two main things, the actors and the use cases, and these both the entities in the use case model are extendable. What does that means is if you have created a actor as a customer, and let's say after some time you want to create another child of this actor, which can be individual customer or corporate customer, so you can easily extend this class or this actor into these customers types, right? So that is the main advantage of this use case model. And this customer will be then your parent actor, and then you have child as your sub actor, right? And the use cases you are defining should be properly defined, right? There can be many scenarios when a use case will be occurring, right? So what actors would be involved in that use case? Let's say you are defining a use case for deleting a user record or user data from the database, or the software, right? And so you should clearly define all the aspects of that use case, and some of them are what actors would be involved in that, what should be the preconditions to execute this, like a user should be there in order to delete it, right? And what will be the post condition after execution, like the record of that user will be uh, deleted, so that will be the post condition, so you can't query that user data after deleting it. So that is the post condition. And use case models can be represented as activity diagram. So in the use case model we create the activity diagram to represent it as graphically, right? And it is just like the flow chart, and we will see a practical about it later in this course, right? So that's it for the lecture 6, and I will meet you in the lecture 7 of this series. Thanks for watching.